So it is 7:18 and I'm headed to Walmart. I actually realized I do not have any purple, like blue, like vibrant colored eyeshadow. I don't wear those colors. So I'm headed to Walmart to grab some purple eyeshadow for this look of Jessica Rabbit. And yeah, we have this huge fire. They had to close down the freeway, and on the other side, my mom and stepdad are at the lake, and we were going to celebrate his birthday this weekend, and we weren't able to go yesterday because they closed the freeway down. So they're kind of stuck, which is fine. They're camping, they're having fun, but they're kind of stuck over there. I had met this photographer online. He has photographed my sponsored athlete a few times, so I got reference from her how he was. She said he's an okay photographer. He's very much into digital photography, so he adds a lot of edits, which is exactly what I wanted for this shoot. He adds a backdrop. He can even add makeup, which I thought about, but I don't want to trust his, I don't know. I would rather do my own makeup. And he can add things, like digitally edit things in. So I'm quite excited for that. So, gotta wear a mask to go into Walmart. No big deal. Alright, I just finished. So I got some eyelash adhesive, some eyelashes. I have so many eyelashes, but I'd rather just buy them new, knowing that I have them on me and what I have, because I do have tons of this glue, but then it's like, where did I put it? Is it dried out? Does it still work? Like, so I just buy it again. I plan on using this purple right here and probably this white up there for the look. And then I just needed this purple. It's lipstick, but I think I'm going to use it for an outliner for eyeshadow. And then the Violets collection for eyeshadow and some, which I have red lipstick too, but this was like $1 or something, so Wet n Wild is so cheap. Ready to go. Okay, dokie. So I've cut out my pattern. This is going to be for the Jessica Rabbit swimsuit. This is the butt, so that is for size reference, and the top is going to be a normal triangle top, but I'm going to pipe it, which is like an outline, a binding edge in this color, so it matches the gloves, the purple gloves. I finished one molded cup, so it's kind of small, but I think that's a good look for my Jessica Rabbit. I put like little pleats, and then I'm gonna end up binding it for the strap. So cool. These cute little connectors up here. Let's try it on. So I have an hour to do my makeup, and then it takes about 30 minutes to get to where I'm going. Okay, so I knew it was gonna be a little small. It's okay. I have to tie the neck a little tighter and get some side boobs. Cute. My eyebrows are still pissing me off, but what do you think so far? I just got them at Walmart. Freak driving in the car, so maybe I'll wear some sunglasses. Oh, okay. I think they're pretty. I'm gonna add some eyeliner now and some mascara to hold them in place. And I'm pretty much done, and then I have to just fit my wig and drive 30 minutes to a different town and hope that nobody stares at me. But Miss B just got off her night shift. Go girl, or that's a more like a queen, like a drag queen. I don't know what this is doing, but maybe it's Jessica Rabbit. Oh my god. I just finished my makeup for the Jessica Rabbit look, and I'm going to be shooting it today. Still trying to figure out this wig. What are your thoughts? On my way, I'm incognito and had to wear glasses because I just feel a little wild. Getting my dress on. Redid my lips.
So you can adjust the top and bottom.
Good job. I don't know if it's the best way, but it works. And I get my whole look. That is crazy. It's not gonna.
I did a transparency of the wording, so we can put that over
Overlay?
some of your pictures. Yeah.
I like it. Do you guys mind if I film a little of myself?
No.
Okay.
The girls do it all the time. They set up in
Selfies.
a corner somewhere and they just let it go while we're shooting.
It's just quite interesting. I don't know. It's supposed to be more like.
Yeah. There is a mirror over here too.
Okay.
Yeah, kind of like. So is it a Jessica Rabbit tree? Is that what?
Their extensive collection. It's pretty cool. And this is their studio in their house. Oh, it is so hot. I am sweating. It's like
you want these,
Theme.
you want to try a few, like with your regular hair and without the gloves, just a swimsuit?
Could, but those aren't my eyebrows.
Whose eyebrows are they?
I drew them on.
Oh.
They don't.
What's your, I forgot, what's your regular hair look like? Is it blonde?
It's
or?
blonde. Blondish brown. Dirty. Yeah.
Well, it's up to you. I mean, if you want to. If you're good with this, or
Yeah, I'm good. I just think with my natural hair, it wouldn't look. It still wouldn't.
okay.
I like it, like it.
All right, it's a wrap. As yourself.
That's myself.
Yeah.
We'll see if this theme is liked. Without the wig. Actually pretty cute without the wig. So I just left, and I was really debating if I should have just kept my real eyebrows.
Take the next left onto Coombs Lane.
I just felt like there wasn't enough space under to do like the purple, but when I took off the eyebrows now, I'm gonna go grab some food. I took the eyebrows off and the lips, and I really like it actually. I really like this purple look with my eyebrows. Bummed about that. I was not a fan of the wig, but I did it for the theme. It went with the theme. It was great. My natural look, and just do the theme of the makeup, not the eyebrows or like I guess alterations. I don't know. I was trying to keep it more of cartoony Jessica Rabbit.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto South Edmonds Drive.
Let me know what you guys think. So I stopped and got food and I got gas. The photographer and his wife looked so familiar, like bizarrely familiar, but I couldn't place it. And so then I was thinking like, okay, they do pictures, modeling, like I haven't modeled in years. And the type of the photography that they do, I was like, I would have probably never used them for swimsuits. And they live in Carson City, which is 30 minutes away. So I was just racking my brain, but I told them, I'm like, you guys look so familiar. And they're like, I don't think so. I don't think we've ever worked together. Like, it clicked. I was like, yes, it was in Carson City, which is where they live, so it made sense. It was at a ranch. I was 12 years old, you guys. I was 12 years old, and I'll have to post, I'll add the photos. What is it called? A Western themed photo shoot when I was 12. And they were one of the, so it was like a collaboration. It's where a bunch of models and photographers get together and everybody takes turns basically and like get experience, and they all shoot each other, or photo shoot and model, and we all trade off. So I'm not exactly sure which pictures were theirs, but I do remember them, and they're like, that's insane. So I'm 32, I was 12. It was 20 years ago. So bizarre. And so they looked it up and they found the ranch that it was at, and I was like, yes, I forgot the name of it already. I think that's kind of fun, and that I'm getting back into it, and just like, just to still be, I guess, them still be in business and work with them again. So I found pictures from the old photographer. These are my old headshots. I'll do another video of this. Yes, creative images photography. That's so funny. Okay. Here's some of the Western wear that I modeled. He was my neighbor and he modeled with me. His name was Travis. I had braces. Here were my stats. I didn't really touch photos up back in the day, but how cool.
I'm not bad. I'm just drawn that way.